And we are back again. And you know, I just love driving on this bridge. This bridge is called the Westmoreland Bridge. Again, yes, Westmoreland Bridge in St. Mary. It's a very new bridge. It's beautiful. It's well done. It was done by the Chinese, although I wish Jamaican engineers would have done it, but hey, don't go on bad already. And now we're turning right to go back through the junction, and we're on the road improvement project section. We're heading into Broadgate. So as you can remember in the previous video, we were coming from Kingston going through St. Mary, and now we are doing the reverse. By the way, yeah, we had to stop and pick up some fruits and ground provision, the whole works. Boy, the road look pretty. And on the right hand side over there is that famous hill that a lot of people are used to seeing when they come through the junction. I think it's called Goat Hill. Yeah, we did a story on that. Yeah, so take a look. And right here we start going bad road again. I used to take this big tree on the right to mark where that dip in the road started. And as we reminded you, they dumped up, backfill all of this area because it was one big sink in the road, and bring it right up back to level with the rest of the road. So hopefully, I think they're allowing it to set a little. Man, the road rocky, the road bumpy, you know. In the car, you're dancing, dancehall, rocky dancehall. Yeah, if it wasn't for the stabilizers in the camera, you would have really seen how rocky it was. But the video, you couldn't watch the video. Nah, couldn't watch the video. Anyhow, so the project, you're seeing it from this other angle. Before, everything was on your right coming into St. Mary. Now, most of the activity is on your left, and you can see all the hillside that they have taken down and they've sorted out. And yeah, man, back on smooth, pretty road again. They say I can't wait until this thing is finished. Just can't wait. So now we're here chowing down on some cane and some pineapples and enjoying the ride and saying, oh yeah man, this is the life, this is how Jamaica should be. You know, just love the development and look. Boy, you can't stop looking at that hill in the distance. It's just so overwhelming. It's pulling you in. It's like Lord of the Rings. It's like, come to us now, or come to me. And so we're enjoying until we come to this point. Yeah, traffic in the junction. So we have to speed up the footage because we were here a long time, really long. So watch and see as we make our way. Hey puppy, as we make our way through the junction. And this is the road improvement project section. Now this is a section where they're again putting up the road a little higher, elevating it, and they're ballasting the road. I learned all those terminologies by asking different people in the field, you know, what's happening. So here they are increasing the height of the road, probably for drainage or stability, and at the same time digging off the side of the road, the side of the hill, sorry, to ensure that nothing rolls off and hits anyone who's driving. And you can see they're far gone. Really nice. We're loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Until the traffic starts moving much better. And we're going down into the heart of Broadgate now. This truck here, not this one. You come up to one of those long 18-wheelers, call them a trailer. That truck was having some issues, couldn't move. It was parked right in the middle, so guys were working on it. And here you have the direction people, you know, telling you, okay, move along, nothing to see here, like copsters, and look on the hill, look at the hillside. You see how much work these guys have to be doing? Kudos to you guys. Thanks a lot for your hard work. Yeah, man. And around here, and they still have to dig. I'm being told they're gonna dig off this side as well, so who knows when this project will really be finished. But keep our fingers crossed. They say it's 75% complete, so I guess what we're seeing on the left here is the other 25. So moving along, and if you notice, the dust is real bad. I mean, the dust was like smoke, but the cameras made it look not so bad. And now we're going down into the more populated part of Broadgate. Here's that truck I was telling you about. Man, I'm lucky that it didn't block the road, because we wouldn't move there until the next day probably, or later down in the night. So yeah, going down back now onto Broadgate, and bam, look at this dust. I mean, it is thick like smoke. And I'm really sorry for these people living right in this particular area here now, because we passed some dogs playing and we saw dust coming off the dogs, man. Dust, just dust thick like smoke. Anyway, that was it. We're running through and you're still seeing some amount of residual dust in the area. It's gonna take a little while now, guys, but thanks for watching with us and enjoy. And remember, in a few weeks or so, probably by the end of the month, you know, I'd encourage you to pass through and enjoy the scenery, enjoy the road, but do so in moderation. Yeah, we're gone. Peace.